Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is me, Muhammad Hasnan, once again with all of you people. Today I'm once again with Mr. Salman Ali. He's a business mentor. He does a lot of stuff and a certainly interesting person. And he recently told me that a lot of people ask him for such certain things, such as what his business is about, how to manage that, and how to have all of this covered. So let us introduce Mr. Salman Ali into the show.
Hi Hasnan, how are you? Alaikum assalam. Hasnan asked me one question, how to start the flat business.
Yeah.
So first of all, I will let you know, if you come to Dubai for the business, so this is single business where you can earn your 100% capital in 1 year. You will get back your all amount, principal amount.
Wow.
In any other business, you can never get all amount. Second thing, how you will calculate. If you are there, it's so easy, so simple. Every flat have 4 checks. So you need to pay first check, then you need to make partitions and everything. I give guidance, I am helping to the people and they can do this business. But simple thing, in 1 year you can get your all principal amount.
Okay. As we all know, the most hard part of starting a business is all about the most hard part about most of these businesses or jobs is the investment or the starting amount. What would the investment be? Where to invest and how much investment do we need to start a business?
In start, I always suggest to the people, if you want to start, start from 2 BHK minimum, not from 1 BHK. In 1 BHK you have no profit. From 2 BHK you can start. Then from there, just for I give you idea, you need to have 60 to 70,000 dirham. But it depends on location. Like some people ask which location is prime location, good for the business. So I suggest them Al Rigga, Union, Murakabat, Al Barsha, Business Bay.
Yeah.
These are the areas.
Yeah.
So I suggest people those area. But in Business Bay, Al Barsha, you need more budget, like 100,000. 120,000 like this.
The more you invest, the more you will earn. Yeah, it's actually just as my uncle explained, it's actually directly proportional. The more investment, the more reward and the more amount you'll earn soon. Let's go further. So can you please tell us, how does all this work? What is the profit? And can we actually get successful? Because lots of times people work hard but they don't get any real profit from that job and they just fail.
Yeah, you asked me a very good question. Every month you can earn from 2 BHK, minimum 4 to 5,000 dirham.
Yeah.
And this is very stable business. But people are afraid that what if we cannot find the tenants and how we will filter the tenants.
Yeah.
That is also so easy. If you don't have any tenants, I will help you for free. My all work is commission free. And I'm not taking any kind of fees. So that's all.
Alright, that's certainly interesting. One last question. If we want to work in Dubai with all of these things, can we manage that?
Yeah, you can manage this same like a part-time. But if you have 1-2 flats, but if you have more than 1-2 flats, then this is 24 hours of business. That's not so simple, that's not so easy. So that's all. I'm little confused because we are walking on the road. I need to check the traffic also.
You need to check a lot of things.
Yeah.
This isn't Dubai. This isn't Dubai where you just do this and they're just gonna stop their cars. This is Pakistan. If you don't stop, they're gonna hit you right in the face. So that was all for today. If you guys have any sort of questions, my uncle, Mr. Salman, will always be there. He's gonna post that on his own page. You can consult him, and if you want another Q&A like this, inshallah we'll be ready and we can make another video on this topic anytime you guys want. Make sure to comment your questions and consult my uncle here. And if you have any future profit or businesses, do it right now, because the trades are getting a bit more high day by day, so more money is gonna be used. So be fast with that. And that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching, and Allah Hafiz, or bye bye.
Bye-bye.